Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to replace space with comma in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my spreadsheet. Now I replace space with comma. At first, you select a column or row. Now I select a column. Then go to find and select. Then go to replace. Then replace what? Replace space with comma. Then click find next and click replace. Now you can see I replace space with comma in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for